Please be seated. A very good morning, everybody. Good morning. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you, especially the esteemed guests, dignitaries, and all you invitees, along with those who have joined us virtually in these new normal circumstances for this special event, listing of India Pesticides Limited, one of the leading manufacturers of agrochemicals in India. देवी और सज्जनों, बीएसई के इस शानदार सभागार में उपस्थित सभी का, साथ ही जो हमसे वर्चुअली जुड़े हैं, मैं मानसी तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. Ladies and gentlemen, as the world is opening up and as we are inching back to normalcy, slowly, steadily, but for surely, this listing ceremony is happening physically, of course, adhering to all the protocol directives and guidelines that have been issued by the authorities. As there is restriction to the number of people gathering, many have joined us virtually. We will welcome the esteemed guests and dignitaries that are present here with bouquets of flowers, beginning with Shri Anand Swaroop Agarwal, Chairman of India Pesticides Limited. सर सामने आ जाइएगा. सर यहाँ पे आ जाइए. Thank you. Shri Dheeraj Kumar Jain, CEO, India Pesticides Limited. Thank you. Shri Satya Prakash Gupta, CFO, India Pesticides Limited. Shri Vishal Swaroop Agarwal. Shri Vishwas Swaroop Agarwal. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE. Thank you, sir. Shri Amit Jain, Executive Director, Investment Banking, Axis Capital Limited. Thank you. Shri Amit Ramchandani, MD, Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited. और अब भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर हम इस आयोजन का उद्घाटन करेंगे. In keeping with the Indian tradition, the inauguration will be done by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. I request Shri Anand Swaroop Agarwal, Shri Vishwas Swaroop Agarwal, Shri Vishal Swaroop Agarwal, and Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan ji to please come forward. I also request spouses of Anand ji, Vishal ji, and Vishwas ji to please join in. Aiye, ma'am. दीपेन लोकान जयति दीपस्तेजोमयः स्मृतः चतुर्वर्गप्रदोदीपन तस्मात् दीप यजेत प्रिये. This couplet in Sanskrit translates, the lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory, its light imparts dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. That is, righteousness, prosperity, pleasure, and finally, emancipation. This is the significance of lighting a lamp, and hence, a lamp should be lit. Ladies and gentlemen, lamp, as we know, is also a symbol of knowledge. जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, दीप ज्ञान का प्रतीक होता है। और ज्ञान ही हमें विकास एवं यश की तरफ ले जाता है। It is knowledge, learning and wisdom that leads us to progress and prosperity. The lamp being lit, the function being inaugurated, I request all of you to please take your seats while I call upon Shri Amit Jain, Executive Director, Investment Banking, Axis Capital Limited, for the opening address.
Good morning to everybody, and I think it's a fantastic day. I can see a lot of family members smiling on what Swaroop ji has created in his entire lifetime, and people are recognizing that today. So it's a very fantastic moment, not only for the family, but for all of us who were also associated to be part of this journey. I would like to thank you from Axis Capital side, sir, to giving us this opportunity to be a part of this marvelous journey. And I would like to specifically thank Anand ji, Dheeraj ji, SP Gupta Sahab, Rahul, and entire team of India Pesticides to make this happen in such a great, wonderful times and achieve this grand success. I started actually, whenever we used to speak to Anand ji, he used to always say that काफिला चलता गया, लोग जुड़ते चले गए और आज तक वो सारे लोग मेरे साथ हैं. So that we liked about him, that how he actually is not only a good businessman, but a very, very extremely good human being also. And as Swami Vivekanand ji said, and which I will quote for him because he said that how he started this business at all about, take up one idea, make that idea as your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on it. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body feel that idea and just leave any other idea that you have in mind. And that's the proof of success that we are seeing today in India Pesticides. Only persuasiveness and only being a good human being while doing this business. So congratulations once again, Anand ji, for this. And I think another fantastic part of this, that though it's an agrochemical company coming from the heartland of agriculture, Uttar Pradesh, and very few companies have come from that region on this space. And this will also actually give a boost to rest of the companies to come and list at least on the exchanges and realize their dreams. And let me just not take this back, at least in terms of market volatility, what happened during the times of the issue. And there were so many issues happening and all that stuff. But despite that volatility, all the investors across all classes give you a very, very thumbs up on the performance that company has depicted and the likely to depict in future. As you said, sir, you have so many people already on the board, but this is a new journey. You have new share stakeholders who are joining you today, and a lot of responsibility on your shoulders to carry on from this side. I would like to thank you all and would wish you a great success ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jain, for the initial remarks. And now I request Shri Anand Swaroop Agarwal, Chairman of India Pesticides Limited, to address this August gathering and all those who have joined us virtually. Sir.
Thank you, Masi ji. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and all our honorable guests. It is really a big day for me, my entire family, and IPL staff. Today, my dream is coming true. I have been longing for a pretty long time. The dream of ringing this gong was in fact very far when I started this journey. I always wanted to do business, and I set up a very small unit in the backyard of my house. Thereafter, the journey started. I got support from my friends, family members, skilled people, and what is today, it is before you. I sincerely thanks all my IPL staff, customers, distributors, bankers who helped me during this journey. It is the new chapter. From now onwards, the IPL, and I assure all the investors that we will do our best to meet your expectations. At this juncture, I would like to thank our advisors, lead bankers, government authorities, SEBI, BSC, and all media companies for entire efforts on processing this IPO. अभी कहा उन्होंने कि I want to repeat the same with a Hindi couplet that यूं तो अकेला ही चला था मंजिल की ओर और लोग मिलते रहे और कारवां जुड़ता गया. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Agarwal. I will now invite Shri Dheeraj Kumar Jain, CEO, India Pesticides Limited, to address this audience on this extremely special, joyous, and equally significant occasion. Mr. Jain.
धन्यवाद मानसी जी. नमस्कार. सभागार में उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन. सबसे पहले मैं उस परमपिता परमात्मा को नमन करते हुए उनका हृदय से आभार प्रदर्शन करता हूँ कि उन्होंने हमारे इस 37 साल की यात्रा में हमारा हौसला बनाए रखा और हमें हिम्मत देते रहे. और आगे भी उनसे प्रार्थना है कि इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमज़ोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. Friends, it gives me immense pleasure to be here today on this auspicious occasion of listing of India Pesticide Limited. My journey with India Pesticides is almost 26 years old, and I can proudly say it has been very promising and technically, professionally very satisfying one. I got full support and freedom from our chairman, Mr. Anand Swarup ji, to do the way I like, to implement all the projects which have been done during the years. Before I say further, I would like to express my gratitude to the IPL staff for helping this company to get where it is today. There are several leaders back home and at the site who have arrived and acted as the pillars of the company. Friends, I compliment them on this achievement, and I also compliment their families who have stood with them in these difficult times. It is a result of their untiring efforts that the company is progressing so well, starting from R&D team, project team, production team, import and export team, finance, supporting functions, all have performed their duty very dedicatedly and timely completed their projects, keeping in view the preference of the client's need. This has been amply demonstrated even during the pandemic period recently. At this juncture, I would like to thank all our business partners, both in India and international level, who have contributed their valuable inputs to our growth. Their frequent visits to our facilities have always smoothened our journey and towards excellence, envisaging for future, deriving competent, sustainable products, developing in-house technology, and focus of all the functions of a team to materialize this have always taken us a step ahead during our past journey. Today, this IPO is a leap forward for the future, and that is filled with more opportunities and to grow further and expand. Friends, IPO processing that has led to encouraging number of subscriptions is a result of the collective work of so many professionals, bankers, and our all other people who have spent their time, energy, and knowledge skillfully. Sincere thanks to them, and among which few are present here, and others may be watching us from far. Our next journey, level of journey, is starting from this moment, which is filled with more responsibility and accountability towards our investors and to the society at large. I would like to conclude with a note that हम भी कल को आसमां छू लेंगे, बस कोशिश जारी है. Thank you very much once again. Please keep safe. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jain, for putting the journey of India Pesticides Limited in a nutshell for all of us. And now I request Shri Satya Prakash Gupta, CFO of India Pesticides Limited, to address the audience.
Ladies, gentlemen, and honorable guests, good morning. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to be a part of the momentous day today. This marks the beginning of a new phase of strong growth for the company. During 2020, when the company decided to go for IPO, as a CFO, I felt a high degree of responsibility to get this thing right for all the stakeholders. It was a fascinating and learning adventure to work in partnership with the chairman and CEO in connection with IPO. Our constant communication and understanding helped us to align the financial message with the overall vision they have. My sincere appreciation and thanks to all the team members on company's secretarial, financial, and non-financial domain who have worked together as a single team. Thanks to all professional team from Access Capital, JM Financials, legal advisor to the IPO, CAM, S&R, and SPB, and auditor Lodha and Company, and the Concept Media team, who guided us all the way, step by step, towards today. At this moment, wishing you all for your future growth also. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gupta, for sharing your thoughts with us. And now I request Shri Vishal Swarup Agarwal.
Thank you, Mansi ji. Good morning, ladies and respected guests. What a great moment. Really, what a great moment. I see the company that my father started getting listed. This journey had been a great, great experience for me. And I'm really, really thankful for the entire team of IPL to have made, and our merchant bankers and well-wishers to make my father's dream come true. I'm really grateful for the investors and everybody who has made us come out here and reach these heights. Not to take much time, I thank God and wish everybody a very good morning. Thank you.
Thanks, Vishalji. And now I will call upon Shri Vishwas Swarup Agarwal to say a few words.
Good morning to all who are present here and viewing from far. It is indeed an exciting moment for me to see the company that I have seen since from my childhood as a school-going boy is now on verge of ringing this gong within short while from now. Besides grabbing knowledge through education, more value-adding practical experiences helped me to imbibe the nuances of business on agrochemical manufacturing. I've seen my father always working on ideas, his next targets, dreams, vision he carries. Working with him and the team of experienced and knowledgeable who are much seniors to me is always an advantage to me. With his and their guidance, we are stepping ahead now, seeking all your wishes and my compliments to all who have worked to materialize this day. I end my brief talk here. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Vishwasji. And now I invite Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of BSE, for his address.
Shri Anand Swarup Agarwal, Chairman, Pesticides Limited, India Pesticides Limited. Shri Dheeraj Kumar Jain, CEO, India Pesticides Limited. Shri Satya Prakash Gupta, CFO, India Pesticides Limited. Shri Vishal Swarup Agarwal, Shri Vishwas Swarup Agarwal, other family members, Shri Amit Jain, Shri Amit Ramchandani, and everyone else present here. A good morning to all of you. Present at the BSE International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listings of India Pesticides, one of the leading agrochemicals manufacturers in India. A very warm welcome to BSE, India's leading and most diverse exchange that provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equities, debt, derivatives, currencies, commodities, interest rates, mutual funds, insurance, agricultural produce, stock lending and borrowing, and many other things. The BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets by being Asia's first, India's first universal exchange, and the fastest stock exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. BSE puts forward a strong and robust platform for its over 7.2 crore investor accounts to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. Listing on the exchange helps company to move forward, open new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from over 4,000 companies listed on BSE's platform, making it the world's largest in terms of listed companies. It's also boasting of market capitalization in excess of $3 trillion, which puts it in world's top 7 exchanges. The BSE platform is designed to not only provide liquidity, but also bring efficiency and transparency in the price discovery mechanism for newly listed companies. We are confident that by listing on the BSE, India Pesticides will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base, which we hope will support its business expansion plans. The IPO book build public issue consisted of 2,70,77,026 shares of rupees 1 each in the price band of rupees 290 to 296, aggregating to rupees 800 crores. The issue was subscribed 29.95 times overall, with 10 times in the retail category, 43.67 times in the QIB category, and 53.08 times in the non-institutional category, making it an extremely successful IPO despite COVID. I congratulate the management of India Pesticides, merchant bankers, Axis, and JM, and everyone else involved with this issue for a successful listing as they forge forward in their business. BSE looks forward to continue to help India Pesticides as a preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish sir, for telling us about BSE and his accomplishments. Time now for memento presentation. I would request Ashish sir to please present a memento to Shri Anand Swarup Agarwal, Chairman, India Pesticides Limited, as a congratulatory gesture. Sir, please आइए, stage पर आइएगा. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is a replica of the big gong that has been placed on the stage. Thank you. I would request Shri Amit Jain, Executive Director, Investment Banking, Axis Capital Limited, to please step up on stage and accept a memento from Ashish sir. And as you can see, this is a replica of the bull that is kept at the entrance of BSE. Shri Amit Ramchandani, MD Investment Banking Division, JM Financial Limited. I would now request Shri Anand Swarup Agarwal, Aiye sir, along with Vishalji and Vishwasji, to please present a memento to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD, CEO, BSE, in reciprocation.
One thing I missed actually in the end, I want to give a special thanks to Arunji and Rahulji and Ankurji. उनके बिना मेरा ये जर्नी या मेरा कोई काम कुछ नहीं हो सकता था.
Thank you for that round of applause. Ashish sir, you may please take your seat while I call upon Shri Amit Jain, Executive Director, Investment Banking, Axis Capital Limited, to accept a memento from India Pesticides Limited. Up, please sir, stay on the stage. A few more mementos to be presented. Thank you, Shri Amit Ramchandani, MD Investment Banking Division, JM Financial Limited. Auditors to this issue, Lodha and Company, we have Mr. Raju Baradia. Mr. Raju Baradia from Lodha and Company, the auditors. Sir, please, a few more mementos. वो मुझे पता नहीं. मेमेंटो है? ठीक, आप ये तो दे दीजिएगा. And the agency to the IPO, Concept Communication Limited, we have Mr. Ravi Mehra. That is Shri Ravi Mehra from Concept Communication Limited, the agency. Thank you. Can I also request Rahul ji to please step up on stage quickly? We are fast approaching 10 o'clock and 10 is the time we need to strike the gong. Rahul ji, please आइएगा. और अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी अरुण जी को. सर आइए. ठीक है ना, डन ना, डन. Thank you, gentlemen. You may please be seated. The vote of thanks will now be proposed by Shri Amit Ramchandani, Managing Director, Investment Banking Division, JM Financial Limited.
Morning. I'd like to thank Anand ji and the entire family for giving JM Financial an opportunity to be banker to the issue. I think आनंद जी आपने जो सपना देखा था आज से 1 साल पहले और हम लोगों को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी थी वो आज पूरी हुई आपकी लिस्टिंग हो रही है एंड दिस इज़ अ टेस्टिमनी टू ऑल योर एफर्ट्स दैट यू हैव पुट इन फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स आई थिंक व्हाट्स मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ द जर्नी आपका जो प्यार मिला आपने जो हम पे विश्वास किया उसके लिए हम लोग आपका बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं और आज आपके ऊपर बहुत सारे छोटे शेयर होल्डर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है जिस तरीके का हमने आपके कस्टमर्स आपके एम्प्लॉयज़ और हम लोगों के साथ व्यवहार देखा है हम श्योर हैं कि आगे सारे इन्वेस्टर्स उससे बेनिफिट होंगे एंड वी विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि इंडिया पेस्टिसाइड्स नई ऊंचाइयां छुएगा इस लिस्टिंग के बाद थैंक यू
Thank you, Mr. Ramchandani, for extending those wishes. देवी और सज्जनों, जिस पल का हमें बेसब्री से इंतज़ार था वो बहुत जल्द करीब आ रहा है. The momentous time for which we all were eagerly waiting is quickly arriving. I request the esteemed dignitaries to step up on stage for ringing the gong. Shri Anand Swarup Agarwal, Chairman, India Pesticides Limited, Shri Vishal Swarup Agarwal, Shri Vishwas Swarup Agarwal, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of BSE. Ladies and gentlemen, this ringing of the gong will mark the official listing of India Pesticides Limited. Join me in cheering when 10-second countdown begins. We will put our hands together as the timer strikes 10 o'clock. जब 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाइएगा. तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम इस पल को सजाएंगे. It will be an honor to be welcomed on this corporate ladder. लेकिन सभी से गुजारिश है आप प्लीज नीचे बैठ जाइएगा. पीछे वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है, वर्चुअली वेबकास्ट चल रहा है. जो लोग हमारे साथ यहाँ नहीं आ पाए हैं वो सभी हमसे वर्चुअली जुड़े हुए हैं. तो for the benefit of all those, I request please do not come ahead, and if at all you come ahead, please kneel down. Do not stand. Keep the center view clear. पीछे जो वीडियोग्राफर्स हैं उनके लिए ये जो बीच का व्यू है. थैंक यू फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन. आप सभी के सहयोग के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं 1 मिनट बाकी है. ठीक 10 बजे हम गोंग बजाएंगे. बड़े स्क्रीन पर भी आप देख सकते हैं वी आर ऑलमोस्ट 45 seconds away from 10 o'clock, the time which will mark the official listing of India Pesticides Limited. Less than half a minute now. प्रतीक्षा का फल मीठा होता है. The fruits of patience are sweet is what is said. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations to the management, investors and stakeholders of India Pesticides Limited, ढेर सारी बधाई और बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। Moments to be treasured in the form of photographs. Many congratulations to all of you once again. एक अच्छा सा ग्रुप फोटो हो जाए। एक फोटो सबसे, one group picture. Can we look at the camera please? एक फोटो के लिए एक फोटो खींचेंगे, सभी के यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए हैं। एक फोटो खींचेंगे, आ जाइए प्लीज।
आपने बड़ा अच्छा किया है।
Congratulations आपको। Yeah, it's live. Yeah. That's why you have to avoid the crowd, you know, because ये सारा live जा रहा है ना।
चलो आओ आ जाओ, कोमल बजा दो। अरे तुम जाओ साथ में फोटो खिंचवाओ।
थोड़ा सा अगर क्राउड अवॉइड कर सके ना। चलिए, थैंक यू। आपका भी बहुत बढ़िया रहा स्पीच। So, ladies and gentlemen, on that note, we one more picture. कर दीजिए वापस से। Can I draw attention of Anand ji, Vishal ji, Vishwas ji, Satya Prakash ji? Can I draw attention of Anand ji, Dheeraj ji and Satya Prakash ji?